going down, everybody? This is Lade.
This your boy Lawrence from Atlanta.
I'm Adora.
And I'm Njeka.
My name is Juliet Juju.
Inviting you all to come down here and join us at the 4th annual Umu Igbo.
Umu Igbo.
Umu Igbo.
Umu Igbo.
Umu Igbo Unite Convention
In Atlanta, Georgia, August 1st to the 3rd.
It's not just about an Igbo thing, it's about everybody, the whole Nigeria.
It doesn't matter if you're not Igbo, you can still come. Everybody's welcome.
Yorubas, Igbos, Fulanese, Hausas, Calabas, Ibibios, whatever, even white people too, Mexicanos, wherever you're from. Come through and join us. I'll be expecting you.
I'm from Delta State. I'm from Delta State. I'm from Delta State, Urobo. I just want to invite you guys to the Umu Igbo convention taking place next weekend, August 1st to the 3rd. Make sure you come out. It's a nice social gathering, mixing up with different people. We have businesses out there. If you're interested in schools, any type of professionalism, we got it. So make sure you come out.
For everyone who's Nigerian or just loves Nigerians, so come out this weekend. The website you can go to is www.umu, that's U-M-U, Igbo, I-G-B-O, Unite, U-N-I-T-E.com. And there's a special event that you definitely want to come to, and that's an event for young business professionals in the area. And it's on Saturday at the Doubletree Hotel on North Druid Hills in Decatur. So visit the website and check us out. We're going to have fun.
Umu Igbo Unite is not just a party. We're kicking the weekend off Thursday at Okoye's Art Gallery in Underground Atlanta. Friday we have a soccer tournament and after party at Queens International off Peachtree Industrial.
Saturday we're going to have brunch at the Doubletree Hotel, which is right off North Druid Hills. Then we're going to have the Business and Professional Summit, which is basically a place for you to network with other Nigerian people. And then we're going to have a cultural session along with that event. And then after that we're going to have the banquet, which is at the old courthouse off of Claremont Road. And then we're going to have the after party at the same location. Then on Sunday we're going to have a church service. So we hope that everybody will be able to come and enjoy with us.
Once again, it's not about just partying, it's not about drinking, it's coming to unite with the Igbos. We'll have Yorubas, Hausas, Calabar, Fulanis, everybody come out. It's going down. We will unite August 1st to the 3rd. It's going down.
It's going to be big. You guys know we got different talents, we got different people showcasing their business. Everybody's going to be in the building. James Jones will be in the building.
Y'all heard him. We're going to be in the building, man. MVOC Rising Sun, baby. Doing big things. Repping North Kakalaka, repping A-Town, repping everywhere.
Tennessee, Chicago, Florida, Dallas, everyone.
Not just Igbo folks.
New York,
Y'all know I'm not Igbo, but I'm coming to rep the house.
Hey,
you
doing better.
Where's the Igbo Queen? I did it.
Hey, let's go. It's going down, yo. Come on,
It's official.
Doing big, man. MBOC, Rising Sun, man. Everybody's going to be there.
Everyone's going to be there, man. Come on, man.
Fourth annual, ladies and gentlemen, man.
Different events, parties,
we're going out advising. We're going to provide lawyers, doctors, everybody that does come out to give you guys talk, students. If you need advice on what you want to study, whatever you need, come out there. We have
don't be in the building.
Our business summit is going to be out the chain.
Exactly.
Seriously, whatever you want, Microsoft is by being in the building.
Exactly.
Whatever you want is going to be the building.
Y'all already know me. I need a job.
You already know, but you guys come out, man. It's a rap.
Rep MBOC, rep Rising Sun, man.
Ladies, leave your boyfriends at home. Boyfriends, leave your ladies at home. You can meet your wife there. You can meet your husbands there. It's going down August 1st to the 3rd. MBOC Rising Sun Entertainment. That's how we do. ATL building.
I touch you, baby.